Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 7 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now, without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 2816. Double a number represented as a linked list. Okay, so in this program you are given the head of a non-empty linked list representing a non-negative integer without leading zeros. Okay, and we have to return the head of the linked list after doubling it. Okay, so this is the example one given to us. So see, initially this is the head of our linked list, right? So head is looking like this: 1 and then 8 and then 9. Okay, so when we double this number, then the output is 378. Okay, so our output is like 3, then 7, then 8. Okay, so let's understand how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so let's select one example here. So let me pick this example 1. Okay, so this is an example given to us. Okay, and this is a number. Okay, 1, 8 and 9. Okay, so this is my number. Okay, so I have to double every integer. Okay, every integer here. Okay, so if I have to write it like this: 1, 8, 9. Okay, so first I have to 9 plus 9. Okay, so I can simply add these two numbers. Okay, 9 plus 9, what is my output? 18, right? 18, 8 and 1 in the carry, right? 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17, right? 7 here and 1 carry here, and here what is the total output? 378. Okay, so we have to just return this linked list: 3 pointing to 7, 7 pointing to 8 and 8 pointing to null. Okay, so this is what we need to return. Okay, so see, while performing addition, I am first doubling this integer, right? Doubling or adding this number with itself. Okay, same meaning. Okay, so 9 into 2 is equal to 9 plus 9. Okay, so if I am saying doubling a number, that simply means 9 plus 9. Okay, doubling an integer, 8 into 2 is 16, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. So here first I am starting from this position, right? I am starting from this position, right? First, so first I need to just reverse my linked list. Okay, so my first step would be to reverse the linked list. Okay, because while performing addition or doubling any number, okay, 9 into 2, okay, 9 plus 9. So first I am taking care of this number, right? So first step would be reversing a linked list. Okay, so yesterday also we have solved one problem, remove nodes from linked list, right? I will add the link in the description of my YouTube channel, okay, for that video as well. Okay, so in that video also we have implemented the how to reverse a linked list, right? So today first step would be reversing a linked list. Okay, so here let's take list node reversed is equal to, I am going to reverse my linked list, right? Head. Okay, just pass head here, and now let's write the code for reversing a linked list. Okay, so here I am going to write the code: private list node reverse. Okay, and here inside this just pass the head list node head. Okay, so how we are going to reverse a linked list? Okay, so that's very simple. Okay, so see, 1 is pointing to 8, right, and 8 is pointing to 9. Okay, so first I am going to take one priv. Okay, so priv is going to point to my null node. Okay, priv is going to point to my null. Okay, this is null. Okay, so my priv is going to point to null, and my current is going to point to the head of my linked list. Okay, current is pointing to the head of linked list. Okay, so let's write these two things in the code. So list node priv is pointing to the null, and list node current is pointing to the head of my linked list. Okay, this is clear. Then I have to iterate each node, okay, until my cur is not equal to null. Okay, so my cur, first my cur is here, then my cur is at this position, then after that my cur is at this position, and then in the end my cur is at null position. Okay, so I have to iterate my cur over this node, over this node, and over this node. Okay, so here I am writing while cur is not equal to null. Okay, and then after that I am going to use this node as my next node. Okay, so my cur is at this position, and cur dot next is this one. Cur dot next is this one, so this is nothing but my next node. Okay, so here inside this while loop I am writing list node next node is equal to cur dot next. Okay, this is done. Now after that I have to break this connection. Okay, I have to break this connection. This connection is nothing but cur dot next. I have to break this connection, and I have to join this one with null. Okay, I have to break this connection and join this one with this null. So okay, so what I can write, cur dot next is equal to priv, right? So this is what I'm going to write here, cur dot next is equal to priv. Okay, this is done. So now I have break this connection. Okay, and my cur dot next is pointing to null. Okay, this is done. Then after that I have to move my p to this position. Okay, this will become my priv. Okay, this will become my priv, right? So I'm going to write here priv is equal to cur, and then my cur is going to be at this position. Okay, so I'm going to write my cur is equal to next node. Okay, that's it. Cur is equal to next node. Okay, simply we are doing this, right? And in the end we have to just return priv. Okay, so this is how we reverse the linked list. Okay, so see here, now my current is at this position. Okay, current is at this position. Okay, so now my current is at this position. Okay, so again I am going to this is my current. Okay, and cur dot next is next node. Then after that I have to break this connection, and my cur is going to point to my priv. Okay, cur is pointing to priv. Now my priv is going to move at this position, so this will become my priv, this will become my current. Okay, okay, so this is clear, right? And then cur dot next, it is pointing to null only, right? Cur dot next is null, so this will become my new next node, right? I have to break this connection, and then my cur dot next is pointing to priv. Okay, so cur dot next is pointing to priv, right? And then my priv is going to move at this position, and my cur is pointing to this position. Okay, so now cur is null, so okay, I don't have to do anything. Okay, so right in the end my priv is at this position, right? So now see this arrow, my priv is at this position, priv is pointing to this 9, and 9 is pointing to this 8, right? And this 8 is pointing to this 1, and this 1 is combined with this null. Okay, so 9 8 1 null. Okay, so I have successfully reversed my linked list. Okay, so this is a simple code for reversing a linked list. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. Okay, so here list node reversed is equal to reverse of head. Okay, so this is going to give me the reversed linked list. Okay, so this is clear, right? And now after that let's point this cur to the reversed. Okay, this cur is pointed to my reversed. Okay, that simply means 9. Okay, so now my linked list is looking like this. 9 is pointing to 8, and 8 is pointing to 1. Okay, this is how my linked list is looking like, right? And 1 is pointing to null. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. And my cur is at this position. Okay, this is my reverse. Okay, and my cur is at this position only. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. Okay, and reversed is also pointing to this position, reversed. Okay, reversed is at this position only. Okay, so now this is clear. Now 9 into 2, okay, or 9 plus 9, 9 into 2 or 9 plus 9 is the same thing, right? So 9 to 2 is equal to 18. Okay, so I have to carry 1 as well. Okay, for the next node. Okay, first 9 into 2 is 18, so I have to carry 1 as well. Okay, side by side. So what I'm going to do, let's create one variable int carry, and carry is carry's value 0 right now. Okay, then after that, while my current is not equal to null. Okay, while my current is not equal to null. Okay, so first let's double the value. Okay, double value, int double value is equal to my current value, current dot val into 2. Okay, or current val plus current val, I can do like this, current val into 2 plus carry. Okay, initially carry is 0 only. Okay, so here I double the value. Okay, so my double value is 18 here, doubled value is 18 here, right? This is my doubled value, doubled value. Okay, this is a doubled value, right? Doubled value is this one. Now um, current dot value. Okay, so what is the my current dot value, new current dot value? Okay, new current dot value, what is my new current dot value? Okay, my current is at this position and current dot value was 9. Okay, after doubling it I have to give the new current dot value here, right? So my current dot value is equal to double val. Okay, current dot value is double val modulus of modulus with 10. Okay, so what is the output? Double mod. Okay, 18 modulus with a 10. Okay, so what is my output here? What is going to be my output? My output is going to be 18. Okay, so 18, 10, 10, 1, 10. Okay, and 8 is my remainder. Okay, this is what I need to write here. Okay, in my current dot value. Okay, so this will become my 8. Okay, current dot value is 8. Current dot value is called double val modulus of 10. Okay, this is done. And what is my carry? My carry is this remainder, right? This one, right? This one is my carry. Okay, and this remainder is my current value, right? So here carry is equal to double val divided by 10, right? So this will give me the carry. Okay, now after this we have to move to our next node. Okay, cur dot next every time. Okay, cur dot next, right? So see here what is happening. This is my number now. My new linked list is looking like this: 9, 8 and 1. Okay, so 9 into 2 is 18. Okay, so let me write it like this only: 9, 8 and 1. Okay, so 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, then I have to carry this one upward, right? So I have to carry this one upward. Okay, so now 8 plus 8, 16. Okay, my cur is cur dot next time. So cur dot value is 8 into 2, 16 plus carry, previous carry, so it was 1. Okay, so 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17, right? So 17, and current dot value is equal to 17 mod 10, that is nothing but 7, and carry is 17 divided by 10 is equal to 1. Okay, 1 is carry, right? And then 3 will come here. Okay, so in the end we have to just reverse it: 3, 7, 8. Okay, this is what we need to do, right? So I hope that this is clear. Okay, but in this case when my number is 999, okay, when my number is 999, okay, so 9. Okay, so this is my how my number looks like 9, 9, 18. Okay, 1 is carry, so 1 is carried here. 9, 9, 18, then 1, 19. Okay, 1 carry here. 9, 9, 18 plus 19. Okay, 9 here and 1 carry over here. Okay, then this is 1. Okay, so my total output is like this: 1998. Okay, my total output is like this: 1998. 9 and 8, right? 1998. Okay, so see here, total nodes are 3, but my output number of nodes in my output is 4, right? So we have to take care of this carry as well. Okay, so first I am checking for this, then I am checking for this cur.next, then cur.next is this one. Okay, but what about this carry? Okay, next time there is no cur. Okay, so what happens if there is no value, okay, here, but there is one carry? So here I am going to write one more thing here. If my carry is greater than 0, okay, and cur dot next is equal to null. Okay, if this is the case, okay, my carry is greater than 0. Here see, my carry is greater than 0, right? 1, but there is no value in the cur.next. Cur.next is equal to null. Okay, so in that case I have to add this 1 as well. Okay, this new node. So what I have to do here, I have to just write carry dot next is equal to new list node, and in this list node just pass the value of carry. That's it. Okay, and then after that just do cur carry dot next, cur dot next. Okay, and then cur is equal to cur dot next. Okay, this is done, and in the end we have to just return the reverse. Okay, just call this method again, reverse of my reversed. Okay, this is done. Now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. Okay, so here write like this, cur is equal to cur dot next. Okay, so all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit the code. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. Okay, so this is just a part where we are reversing a linked list. Okay, so here we have got the reverse linked list. After that we are going to iterate from the starting point of the reverse linked list. Okay, then we are going to just double that number, and then we are going to take the update of our current dot value. Okay, then we have to calculate our carry. Okay, and this condition is only executed in the end. Okay, where our carry is greater than 0 and our cur dot next is equal to null. In that case only we are going to execute this if condition. Otherwise we are just going to move cur is equal to cur dot next. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.